In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare account and optimize your website performance by configuring some essential settings. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or someone looking to enhance your web security and speed, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. Let's begin by setting up your Cloudflare account. Head over to the Cloudflare website and sign up for a new account. You'll need to provide a valid email address and create a strong password to ensure your account is secure. Once you've filled in your details, confirm your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Cloudflare. This step is crucial as it verifies your identity and prevents any unauthorized access to your account. Next, we'll add your domain to Cloudflare. After logging into your account, you'll be prompted to enter your website's URL. Simply type in your domain name and proceed. Cloudflare will then scan your existing DNS records. This process usually takes a minute or so, but it's essential as it ensures all your website's configurations are correctly imported. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of your DNS records. Review them to make sure they're all correct. If anything seems off, take a moment to adjust them accordingly or seek expert advice if needed. With your DNS records verified, it's time to change your domain's name servers to point to Cloudflare. This is a pivotal step because it directs web traffic through Cloudflare's network, enhancing your site's performance and adding an extra layer of security. To change the name servers, you'll need to log into your domain registrar's website. Locate your domain management settings, then find the option to update name servers. Replace the existing name servers with those provided by Cloudflare. Changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate, but you'll usually see changes much quicker. While you wait, remember that patience is key here, as DNS propagation isn't immediate and can vary from one provider to another. Next, we'll enable Cloudflare in Hostinger by updating the DNS settings. Log into your Hostinger account, navigate to the DNS Zone editor, and edit the DNS records to align with Cloudflare's. This ensures that your hosting provider is properly configured to work hand in hand with Cloudflare, maximizing its benefits on your site. Now let's focus on configuring SSL and caching, crucial for securing your website and improving load times. Navigate to the SSL TLS settings in your Cloudflare dashboard and ensure that the SSL is set to full or flexible depending on your hosting setup. This guarantees that data exchange between your website and visitors is encrypted, helping protect sensitive information from prying eyes. For caching, go to the caching section in Cloudflare. Enable recommended settings such as automatic platform optimization and set the browser cache expiration according to your site needs. This helps load your site faster by serving cached resources to returning visitors, which can significantly reduce server load and delivery time. And there you have it. You've just set up Cloudflare for your domain, updated your name servers, configured SSL, and optimized your caching settings.